Yes, I love technology.
Pretty amazing.
Truly wonderful the mind of a child is.
Hey guys, Mr. Ogden here. Today we're going to learn how to storyboard using a program called StoryBoard That, and we're going to learn how to do a story arc using the story or movie Lion King. So for starters, we're going to participate in a class discussion about story arcs, so we'll be talking about that before you watch this video. Then you need to watch this tutorial video. So for starters, we're going to have you make an account on StoryBoardThat.com. So click on this link and go to StoryBoardThat.com and then click Log On. Click I'm a new user and fill out this information. Okay, so just as usual, for your username, just use your first name dot last name like everything. If for whatever reason your username is taken, just add like a 1, 2, 3 on the end or something like that. Use your email address, first name dot last name at scanwarriors.com. Use the same password you use for everything. Make sure you have this first box checked. These other two you can uncheck and then click register. Once you sign in, go to the top and click create a storyboard. As you can see, we have 3 boxes, which are also called cells. We need to add more cells, so we need to have 6. So click add cells at the bottom and click 1, 2, 3 below, so there's 6. And click change layout. And then click storyboard layout on the bottom left. Once you click cell layout, click the one on the far right with the title, cell, and description. So now you can see you have 6 cells, and there's a title, a cell, and description for each. Now you're going to go ahead and title all your cells just like they're titled here.
So now that I have my cells set up, I have exposition, rising action, rising action. Down below you'll finish the other 3 that are listed on Google Classroom, which are these 3 right here: climax, falling action, and resolution. For the exposition, it introduces the characters and the setting, so I went ahead and wrote a few sentences about that, which is the setting of Lion King takes place somewhere in Africa, and then some of the characters are Simba, Nala, Mufasa, Scar, Zazu, Timon, Pumbaa, others. So now I'm going to build my first exposition. If you click on outdoor at the top and scroll to the right, there's some good ones that you can use for Lion King. Like this one's a good one. And then if you click on characters and then click on animals, there's lots of animals here you can use. You can also search for animals. So I added several characters from the Lion King, and I wrote 2 to 3 sentences down below describing what's going on in the setting and the exposition. And now you'll continue to do the same thing for rising action, and then you'll do this for the other 3, which is the climax, falling action, and resolution. Make sure you title it.
Some other resources I provided, and I also have a PowerPoint here for you to look at, which is this right here, which talks about all the items in our story. So exposition, conflict, rising action, climax, falling action, resolution, they're all right here, and they tell you more about each. So you use this information here to title your slides at the top, and you can read more about each part of the story here. You can also watch this video called Getting Started with Storyboard That. It'll show you more of the details about how to click and use all the tools within Storyboard. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions.